Oh, we are on Cryptoys, not cubes. All right. Go ahead, bud. You choose this one.
I feel like it's just here.
You want to go to page 2? Okay. Nikki chose. Let's see what we got. Oh! I want to make it look I love it. All right, go ahead. Give it a rip. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. A rare Mickey. Look at that. We have 2 of the 3 rares.
Cryptoys tracker.
You want to go right to the Cryptoys tracker. And rare Mickey. Look at this. We're having great luck so far.
The stairs are getting tinier.
I love it. Look at him. 90s Mickey. Let's read about him. And then there's something else I want to mention to you. So, whoa! 58! What a great cereal. 90s Mickey. Oh, it's the same thing. It just changes from classic Mickey to 90s Mickey. Now, there is something that I think Mickey and Friends Volume 1. When we look here, we have Wave 1, 2, and 3, Star Wars Volume 1. If it was these were going to be the only ones, they would just say Mickey and Friends. But you only say Volume 1 if you're going to have a Volume 2. Right?
Yeah, because UFO, they were not going to make a Volume 2 in UFO.
See that?
Wait a second.
And, right? So,
Star Wars, we're going to get a Wave 2 and a Wave 3.
Yeah, Volume 2 for Star Wars and a Volume 2 for Mickey, I'm sure. Which means for Mickey, I can only guess that it's going to be Donald and Goofy and Daisy.
Yeah.
Right? So cool. So cool.
I
can't wait. Can you imagine?
Pete.
Maybe Pete. He's kind of a secondary character. I don't know. But Donald, all I know is when Donald comes to life, if he's not like hopping up and down, agitated,
Mad.
then it has to be, right? Like he's just got to be just like screaming constantly the way Donald does. Amazing. So good. So, look at this. Serial 58 and our rare Mickey. Nick, we are having some really good luck. All right, we're going to keep this going for everybody.